Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys. And if you have a Ford C-Max, your rear window wiper does not work, you're trying to find the relay, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Also, we have a fuse for the wiper, so please check it out. The video is on our channel if you need help with that as well. We'll be demonstrating on a Ford C-Max, guys, generation from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So, now let me tell you guys, you have three different fuse boxes. One is under the hood in the engine compartment, one is behind the glove box in the passenger compartment, and unfortunately we need the one that's a little bit inconvenient here, guys, in the trunk. Okay, if you come right here in the trunk, in the corner, guys, check it out. That's the C-Max Energy, so it's a little bit limited space. Okay, you open that lid and you have a fuse box here. Check this thing out. Now, right here, the relay that we need to find, guys, okay, for these wipers, okay, for the rear wiper, actually, it's relay number 6. So if you look at it, guys, okay, that relay right here, this relay is relay number 6. That's the one that you need to check. If you need to buy new ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them for a good price. Another thing, if you want to see how to test a relay or a fuse, I'll put the links to videos that explain that in a great detail in the description of the video below, so please check it out. It will be shared there for your convenience. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.